Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician and baby gear expert here at the pump station and nursery. And today we're going to be going over the Clek Foonf convertible car seat. Now, because it's a convertible car seat, that means you can use it for a rear-facing child and also a front-facing child. You can start using it when the child's at least 14 pounds, and it does have extended rear-facing up to 50 pounds or 43 inches, whichever comes first. So if you did want to keep them rear-facing as long as possible to give them more head, neck, back, and spine protection, you can do that with the Foonf. When you're ready to go front-facing at the minimum age of 2 years old, it can go up to 65 pounds or 49 inches. So you can use this car seat for quite a while. The Clek Foonf is designed to be narrow at 16.9 inches wide. So if there's a situation where you do need to fit multiple car seats three across or next to each other, the Foonf gives you the best opportunity to do that in most vehicles. With the Clek Foonf, you're going to get extra safety features like an anti-rebound bar in rear-facing mode that helps reduce forward motion and protects the child's head. In front-facing mode, the Clek Foonf has a rigid-LATCH system with crumple technology that helps reduce crash force for a front-facing child. And for both rear and front-facing, the Clek Foonf has advanced side impact protection with the deep headrest wings, energy absorbent foam around the whole car seat, and a metal substructure, which is why they say the Clek Foonf is built like a tank. Clek makes quite a few accessories that are compatible with the Foonf car seat. For example, if you did want to start your newborn in this chair, you can purchase the infant thingy, which is an infant insert that goes in the car seat and allows a newborn to use the chair. There's also the drink thingy, which you can put up to 2 on the car seat, which gives it cup holders. And if you're looking to protect your vehicle seat, there's the kick thingy that protects the chair from the child's feet, and the mat thingy that goes underneath the car seat when you install it. If you're looking to protect the actual car seat from accidents, there's also the P thingy that can go on the chair. So if the little one does have any accidents, it's going to protect your car seat. Clek also makes a cleaning kit that works with their car seats, so you have the option to do that as well. In addition to all the extra safety features, you also get convenience features. The headrest is easy to adjust. Just like most vehicles, there's a button you're going to push, and that'll allow you to slide the headrest up higher. So as your child gets taller, you can make sure it's at the right position. There are also multiple height positions for the shoulder straps. So depending on the size of the child, you're going to make sure that it's at the right position. The crotch buckle has 4 different lengths to do. So that way, no matter what size your child is, it's always at a safe and comfortable position. The chair also has EPP foam around the entire seat to allow for a more comfortable seating position anytime your child is riding in the car. In terms of installation, the rear-facing lock-off devices make this car seat very easy to install rear-facing, and it's all color-coded. Everything blue on the car seats for rear-facing, while everything red on the car seat is for front-facing. And the Foonf is one of the few car seats that does allow you to use the latch and seatbelt installation when you're securing your car seat to the vehicle. So not only does a rigid latch help reduce crash force, but it also makes the installation significantly easier. The chair also has 3 different recline options, which are numbered on the side here. There are 2 recline options for rear facing and 2 for front facing, so you do have options for your little one. The chair has a 9-year expiration date, and it has a limited lifetime warranty for the duration of the seat. So make sure that when you purchase your Clek Foonf, you send out the warranty card, so that way you're covered. If you'd like to check out the Clek Foonf, you can visit us at 2727 Main Street in Santa Monica. And don't worry, if you're not local, visit our website, pumpstation.com. We ship all around the country. And don't forget, you do get your pump station perk. When you purchase the Clek Foonf from us, you get the first installation free, either here on site in person or virtually via Zoom.